So yesterday, one of the projects that we had going on was we were replacing the exhaust off this 95 Heritage Softail. Now, as you can hear, this sounds good. It's got nice performance, nice response, nice sound. Whenever you're changing the exhaust, you'll always have to rejet. And that's all part of the package deal that we do with these. These pipes do sound good, and look at that sleekness of the pipes. It really does look nice. Alright, got this off. And here's the 1980 shovel head that we were completing yesterday too, that had the custom transmission with the custom primary belt and so forth. I gotta tell you, this is one good looking bike. We did a lot of work on this one here. We ended up repainting it. It wasn't an accident. We do a lot of work on older bikes. So if you got an older bike, there's not many people that can work on these. I've been doing this for a long time. So give us a call, 708-225-1820.